Well, fellas, pay attention. In this video, I'll show you a little bash trick which might come in handy to you. Okay, to give you some sort of sense, let me go to my terminal. I believe I'm zoomed enough. Um, so, say, for instance, a I have a variable set. How is Linux. Okay, just arbitrary set a variable, and okay, so now that whole variable is having the value of Linux. Now if I want to convert that particular variable value from lowercase to uppercase, you need to do that. Echo how, and then you see the caret sign adjacent to the variable name inside the curly braces. So it printed the same thing. Basically, it will capitalize the first letter of the, I'll show you that in a moment, of the word. Okay, so if you want the entire word to be capitalized, you have to place two caret symbol beside the variable value or variable name within the curly braces. Press enter, bang, you see. Look at the top, we have assigned in a normal way, the first letter is capital, then the lowercase. If I place like this, now if I use how to lowercase that stuff, right? Echo, now, oh, single comma, you see, I place a single comma just beside the variable name within the curly braces. It generally lowers the case. See, the capital value become lower. Say for instance, if the entire word is in capital, you have to place equal. Say for instance, this is Linux, okay. Now if I wanted to do for the entire word to be in lowercase, then two comma within the curly braces beside the variable name. Okay, now press enter. See, so these are the little trick in bash. I'm running bash version 5.3.3, but if you run your bash shell lower than 3 or 3 version, then you cannot use this syntax to change the case in bash shell because it introduced much later. Okay, that's why I mentioned version 3 or before. Okay, if you have that version of shell with you, so you sincerely cannot use the shown syntax what I've seen on the top of the screen, the carets and commas, you cannot use it. Rather, it will take another utility, echo, and if I say ho, and then I pipe it to tier, and then you have to give lower. These are the POSIX character classes. Okay, typically right between the bracket and the colon. Okay, so here I'm targeting from lower to uppercase, okay, of the value of the variable ho. See, now if you want to reverse that, echo O, then tr, okay, upper to lower. See? So I show you two things. If you have the bash shell greater than 3, so you could use the top syntax with the caret and comma to getting the value of a variable string or whatever it is in bash by uppercase and lowercase. Caret is used for the uppercasing the first string, single caret, double caret will do the entire word as you see on the screen, the first two line, and then you use comma, single comma to make things uh, lowercase, and double comma the entire word to be lowercase. And if you are running old shell which doesn't have that syntactical facility, then you could take advantage of the tr command. Okay, so this, and you have to write from source to target. So the first command I targeted from source is lowercase. I'm going to convert it to uppercase, and then the next one I targeted in the reverse way, uppercase to lowercase. These are the bracket and colon. These are called POSIX character classes. There are others like character, alpha, and all other POSIX classes are there. Okay, so this is the shortened way, or this kind of translation. TR is a very short form of translation. Could be done on other version of the shell also. So it's version agnostic. So you could do that if you want to do it in your shell bash script or something. But if you want to do something bash specific, then you have to follow the top what has been shown to you on the screen on the top two with caret and comma. Okay, so I hope the little snippet will help you to thrive. This little thing adds productivity or proficiency related to your work. Thanks for watching.